Hello all and welcome to Sprout Plus. Today we are going to discuss how to create a menu quickly within 5 minutes of time. Alright, let's get into the video. Alright, now I'll visit WordPress.com. This is the homepage of WordPress.com, and over here I'll click on websites. This will take me to this page and you have to click on start your website. Alright, it gets me to choose a domain, which I already did. So if you want to choose a domain, you can just type a domain of your liking and start a website. In my case, I'm gonna click on back to my site, and here I am at the dashboard of my site. I've already created Emmanuel's camping experience blog. If you want to know how I made it, I've included a video in the description which you can check it out, how to create a nice blog like this. Alright, having said that, I haven't launched my site yet, so if I want I can click on launch site here. I'll do that later. Here you can see I have a little menu over here which is pre-created. What if I want to change it? Alright, I'll go to pages, and here all the pages associated with my menu are here. If you want to create a menu, you have to create a page first. Alright, so for that I'm going to click on add new page. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and create a page, and I'm going to choose this portfolio page to create for myself. Alright, this looks good. I'm going to go ahead and click on publish. I'm going to view the page. Now I've created a nice little portfolio page for myself, and as you can see it has been updated over here. Now as I've created one more page, I can go ahead and add this page under my menu. So how you do that? I'll explain it now. So before creating a menu, you have to understand that you have to create a page in order to create a menu. In the bottom right corner, I'll click on customize, and it brings me to this customizing page where I can see menus on the left side. You can edit your menus here by clicking on the pencil button over here, and here you can set whether your menu is primary menu or edit your menu properties. Having said that, I'll go back, and over here I'm going to click on create new menu. I'm doing this because I don't want the old menu. I want to create a new menu for myself. Alright, over here I'm going to give the menu a name. I'm thinking of menu number 1. After doing that, I'm going to go and click on primary navigation and click next. This makes my menu the primary menu. As you can see, I haven't created my menu yet, so the menu has disappeared. I'm going to click on add items, and over here I'm going to include home, portfolio page, about page, and a home page. Home page is already there, so I will include blog page. Alright, after creating my menu, I'm going to go ahead and save changes. I can see my new menu has been updated over here. It's very simple and easy. Anyone can do it. This is how you create a menu for yourself in your website. Very easy and simple. You can do it in 5 minutes. Alright, having said that, if you want to know how I created this blogging website within 5 minutes of time, I will include a video in the description which you can always check it out. And if you like our content, please give a like and subscribe to our channel to look at more videos like this. I hope I made your time useful, and until I meet you in the next video, sayonara and take care. Bye bye.